on today, I'll be talking about some basics of how to use Roadrunner. Let's try to replicate these 4 individual road units. As for Roadrunner's camera control, first press and drag the mid mouse button. You can see the camera is being translated horizontally, and by dragging the right mouse button, the camera will be rotated. So these operations can be also achieved by ASWD and QE keys. And you can use the mouse scroll to zoom in and zoom out. So first thing, I'll be creating this smooth transition from one lane into dual lanes. Let's go to the road mode, which is the first editing mode on the top bar. On the left, you'll see there's a lane configuration bar here. By default, there will be one right lane and one left lane, and a separation of a 4-lane width. Let's try this out by clicking 2 endpoints of a straight road. And if you want to make a wider section, you can expand the number of lanes here. And there'll be a transition section created for you. And if you want to restore to the original lane configuration to make a third section, just press Ctrl and right click on this section you want, and the lane configuration will be picked according to your selection. So you can extend this, make another transition here. Pretty simple, right? For the next, I'll be creating some basic junction here. Let's first drag out the horizontal road, and the vertical road goes right into it. And there will be a junction created for you, and there will be multiple connecting roads inside it, which you don't need to worry about. And by dragging a road into out of a junction, you can expand it. So right now it will be a X-shaped junction. So if you want to, for example, create another left turn lane here, you can use the modify road, which is the third, and select this section and create one more red lane, which is the incoming lane, and press enter. You'll see there'll be a dedicated left turning lane here. So you can also delete a road that goes into a junction by using a destroy mode. So select this road by double clicking that and press enter. So you only get a T-shaped junction. And all these operations can be redone by going to the edit and undo and redo. So that's pretty convenient, right? For the third part, I'll be making a small bridge here. So by default, the cursor stays on exactly on the ground level, but if you hold the control key and scroll the mouse, you'll see there's a darker red color here, and which means you are making a ramp up. So and if you reverse the direction, you'll see there's a ramp down here, but I will constantly using ramp up to provide enough clearance for this bridge. And there's a setting that requires at least 5 meters of clearance to make a bridge. So if you fail to provide such clearance, just like this, you will be just creating a junction instead of a bridge. So this section will be a flat junction. So I will undo this part. And last but not least, I'll try to create a simple highway. In the last part, I'll be talking about the ramp mode or lane mode, which allows you to create interchanges for highways. First, I will draw out the main highway that the local road is gonna merge into, and the vertical one will be the local road. So go to the lane mode and reduce the number of lanes to just one. Drag from this endpoint from local road into the rightmost lane of the highway, and there will be a merging part created for you rather than a traffic signal of a junction. And you can definitely use multiple lanes for the junction, as you can see here, by creating a small bridge that goes over the highway, and also a gradual ramp down onto the ground level. And to make it safer to merge, we can actually shrink the right side of the highway. For example, we can use the modified tool to create an exit area so that one lane goes out and another lane goes in. Nice and easy, right? And we can finish up this junction by connecting the final ramp. So this pretty much wraps up this tutorial. And as you can see, we've created some interesting road shapes that you can leverage to expand into more complex city road networks. Hope you enjoyed this video and enjoy using Roadrunner tool. Bye.